A good day to all traders. My name is Rain, founder of Forex here at Academy Private Limited. So today is once again our weekly market analysis. I'm going to cover 4 main currency across 3 currency pair. So stay tuned right to the end to see what are the possible setup in the coming week. So let's dive right in, shall we? So the first chart over here we're going to look at is Euro dollar itself. We are on our weekly chart. Last week is a lot of waiting for both Euro dollar, pound dollar as well as dollar yen. And of course, market has confirmed its uptrend over here. The weekly candle has closed above a previous high, creating a new structure high. So we do see that is a possibility for, in a longer term perspective, for this Euro dollar to move all the way up to this region. That will be back to 1.25 itself since 2014, if I'm not wrong. That was the price that about, right? 2014, 2015. Okay, so we are looking the next resistance at this price, 1.2513. So moving to our daily chart, over here, you can see that market has break above and closed above the high price. Alright, so personally I'm waiting for the market to come back down for a retest, and I am pretty much waiting for a double retest before I wait for any buying opportunity. Basically this is the range I'm looking to long. Okay, so let me just mark that up for you. Between 1.1935 to 1.2033 is the range I'm looking to long. So I'm waiting for market to do this all the way down. Alright, went up, test a bit, came back down. Okay, a double bottom formation for me to go for a long opportunity. So traders, do take note that when you're looking for buy or looking for a long signal, it's better for you to have a fixed trading strategies. So even when you are waiting to buy at certain level, you can wait for that formation to form out before you engage the trade. Alright, that is for Euro dollar itself. Let me just clear this and let us go to pound dollar. Pound dollar likewise, on a weekly chart, it closes break above and close above, slightly above the high price, but it's still counted. So we do see that a possibility the market is going higher. If we go down to a daily time frame, we see the same thing. The Friday's candle close above, break above and close above the previous high. So over here on pound dollar itself, you can see that that is a very steep uptrend movement. I'm waiting for a retest at this region over here. The market has already break above, close above. So there are a couple of ways to wait for a retest. Let me just adjust this a bit for you. I just use the horizontal line so that the prices will be shown to you on the right. Okay, 1.3585 will be the range, one of the range you should be looking for a buying opportunity. Of course, you can definitely wait for a retest at the low at this range. It break below and close below this range, this red line on the daily chart, I may wait for a while before I consider on this trade. Alright, so pound dollar is moving upwards. The trend likewise on Euro dollar, it is both a bullish trend setup. So if we move on to the dollar yen itself, we can see that this entire chunk over here, it is moving into a consolidation. And of course, I did a long over here last week before the market closed. And these are my target profit I'm waiting for. So this is my target 1 and this is my target 2. So if you wonder why on the MT4 platform I can set 2 targets, because I am putting 2 different entry trades. Alright, that's the reason. So you can try to do that if you're using MT4. Basically, there are pros and cons using MT4, and of course, one of it is that you can set a pending order. your stop loss in advance. There's no need to wait for the trade to trigger before you place in your stop loss. If you don't understand what I mean, it's fine. Of course, you can message out on the comment box. We'll share with you further. But the downside for MT4 is that in the usual setup, they do not allow you to place two targets on a single trade, at least not right now. So what I did is that I know each target what will be my contract trading size. I split the trade up so that it will just take profit when you reach the price. It removes subjectivity. So traders, when you're trading, it is good to remove subjectivity in your trade so you'll be more confident, less emotional, and less subjectivity to the results and to the way that you're trading as well. That is very important. Alright, so back to dollar yen itself, it is moving pretty sideways consolidation. In fact, this is a very important support. It is true that market has really break below and closed below this low over here, but the overall trend it is still bullish. So I will consider this is quite a sideways movement until this low over here on the daily chart choose to break below and close below than this low price over here. So if it break below and close below this price, then the market has shown that dollar yen is on a bearish move. If not, it is still considered sideways. So I'd like to share a bit. When I shared that euro dollar and pound dollar is moving bullish, is an uptrend, it doesn't mean that you can't short. So it only means that if you are choosing to short euro dollar and pound dollar, do take note that you are counter trend trading. And if you're long on euro dollar or pound dollar, you are trend trading. So there are two differences in these two trade and how is the approach of it, and of course it really depends on your trade plan, your trading plan itself. For myself, for counter trend, I will take profit off a shorter target. For trend trading, I would expect more targets in terms of pips, a further target in terms of pips. So that's all I have for you on the 3rd week of January itself for the market trend analysis. If you love this kind of analysis, do help us a favor, share, comment that what you like over here, what you have received over here. At the same time, click like, comment and share with your community so that more traders can benefit from this. That's all I have for you today. Until then, I see you next week on the weekly market analysis. And of course, if you like to have more trading ideas into different time frame, into different currency chart, then you have to click below on the description bar, go into trade ideas, click the subscribe button, and you will be informed, and we can communicate from there how to get you involved in our trade ideas. That's all I have for you today. Till then, I'll see you on the next video. All the best for your trading.